Mine just came in. They came in this box right here, and you can see what's on the front here. It just says solar spotlights pack, and these are in cool white. You know what, let's just open them up and see what we get here. So right away, you see you get a little owner's manual, and I will go over that here in a minute. These must be the legs. Let me unpack this and lay it out, and then we'll come back and we'll go over this owner's manual, then we'll set them up and see what they look like. So you get 6 of the panels and lights, and it looks like the panels are kind of screwed into the spotlights themselves here. Then you're gonna get the actual stakes right here, and what it is, these things are spikes and the tube. So the tube is gonna go right in there like that, and then the spike's gonna go down in there. And then they send you a little set of hardware. So this is a hardware enough to mount all of these. And what you would do, you see how there's 2 screw holes back there? If you wanna mount them on the side of your house and have one facing down or something, it works well for that. But I think what I'm gonna do with all of mine, I'm gonna actually lay them up along a walkway that I have here. So going over the owner's manual here, you can see right here, it's an IP65 waterproofing on it. The housing materials and ABS, and the battery capacity is 1500 milliamps. Working temperatures -4 to 140. Well, we hope we don't ever get 140. Lithium battery input on them, and it's a 1.2 watt solar panels. So the adjustable angle is 180-degree adjustment there. Let's go ahead, let's set these up. We got a little bit of sun left. We'll set these up, let these charge the rest of the day. Then we'll come back and we'll see them at night. So let's do that now. Just went ahead and installed them here. Now it's still daylight, and I'm letting them get a little bit of sun. Let me show you how to turn them on. So I'm facing the panels where the most sun is, but underneath, if you look under there, there's a little small button. Hit that button once and they should come on. Now they're not coming on now because they're going to charge a little bit more, but what I did, I went ahead and went down my walkway. You can see how I did all 6 of them just like this, and we'll see how they look at night, and I might put some in the back. So yeah, let's go ahead, let's click over to the nighttime. Let's see what these things look like. Okay, here it is, everybody. It's nighttime now. As you can see, these things just came on, and look how awesome this is. So what I did, you see how I have them lined up on the drive, my front sidewalk here. So I got one here and one there, and you see how it forms like these circles. This looks really cool. Now I do have a lot of other solar lights out here, but I don't have anything lighting up my front walkway, and that's what I wanted to show you guys. But let me show you the different settings on this. There's I think it's 4 settings. So this is the highest setting. You hit that button. Now it goes on this kind of dim. See what it does? It's like this fluctuating top. And then the 4th is off. So let's go through all 4 of them. First one is like a low, then a medium, and then a high. Now the high obviously has the widest range right here. I'm just gonna run them all on high, and you can see that. Now obviously if you run them on low, you're gonna get more battery life out of them. The battery life usually on these solar lights are about 8 hours as far as the batteries that are contained inside the light here. The solar panels are kind of small on this thing, but it will charge them all day long. I had them up for maybe a couple hours and they had a little bit of charge. I think this is a very affordable premium type spotlight for the side of your house, or like me, for a walkway. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, you know, the solar spotlight 6-pack. See you on the next video.